We all had awkward sex questions we wanted to ask at some point in time, right? Well, in this video, I'm answering some of your most awkward, most sexual and intimate questions coming up. Hey, if we haven't met before, my name is Johann. And on this channel, you'll find helpful discussional topics to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Also too, at any point in the video, make sure you check out the links and the show notes in the video description about today's topic, okay? Let's get started. I don't know if you know the answer, but is it normal to have fart-like noises when my vagina is penetrated? First of all, don't doubt me. Second of all, you're right, I don't know. Third of all, I do know. So they actually have a word for what you're trying to describe, and that word is called queefing. So queefing is when the air is trapped inside the vagina and through penetration it tries to escape. But it's completely normal. It happens a lot. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Is it normal to pass gas during orgasms? Yes, fortunately, but here's why. When you're about to reach that point of no return, basically the muscles tend to relax. So it's very uncommon for the air to, seep out, if you catch what I'm saying. Some people actually hold it in and they just run into a private spot to release it so they won't ruin the moment. Anyways, what's next? I've read that some exercises provide better sex. True or not? Hell yeah. Exercises like the hip thrust can improve your power and speed. Yoga can improve your flexibility, and Kegels can actually increase your sexual stamina. More on Kegels on a different video. I really want to dive into that topic. Is cyber sex cheating? Even though there's no actual physical body contact, you're still exchanging sexual thoughts between one another. So in my opinion, yes, it is cheating. Okay, so consider this scenario. How would you feel if you found your partner exchanging, whether it's texts or DMs or whatever the case may be, sexual thoughts with someone you don't even know, or worse, someone you do know? How would you feel about that? Can I get hemorrhoids from anal? So if you're not relaxed or have the proper lube, or rather just enough lube in general, then yes, it can actually cause hemorrhoids by the swollen veins and the excess pressure in your booty hole. Would my performance be on point if I haven't fucked in over a year? Okay, first of all, chill, breathe, breathe. You'll be fine. Your body hasn't forgotten what to do. As humans, we are designed to reproduce. So don't worry, your body will know what to do. But what you can do in the process, if you're not active, you can actually start training yourself and boosting up your sexual stats, if you know what I mean. Kind of going back to the hip thrusts or doing Kegels. If you use exercises like this, by the time you're actually ready to start doing, the business, you should be fine. Your body will naturally respond. It's like riding a bike. Just get on. Maybach music. We all. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, wait. So based on the description that you have, it's actually, there's a word for it. Of fuck.